Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Skilling course.
In this session, we will be looking on how to sort and apply filters to our data. Say that you want to arrange a list of names in alphabetical order. To do that, we can use the sorting option. Sorting data helps you quickly visualize and understand your data better. Let's sort the names in this column in alphabetical order. Select the names column. Go to Data, choose the Sort option, select the Data as header row and then select the name column that we need to sort from A to Z. Select Sort. Now we can see that the name has been sorted in alphabetical order. If we need to change the alphabetical order from Z to A, go to Data, choose Sort option. Then select the data as header row and select the name we need to sort from Z to A and select Sort. We can see the names have been sorted from Z to A. Now let's see how to work with filter function. The filter function allows us to easily extract the matching records from source data based on the criteria we provide. First step is to select all the cells from our sheet. Go to Data, choose the option Create Filter. Now we can see here on top of every column a filter icon is available. One important thing to note is that filter will not work if there is any merged cell. Let's say we need only the details of Tamil Nadu state. For that, we need to click on the filter icon from the state column. We can see certain options available here. In this tab, choose Clear so that the search box will deselect all the cells. Now search for Tamil Nadu and select the option and click on OK. We can see that we have got the result for the details of which we have selected. We can also filter by color. If we have highlighted any cells with color and we want to view only the highlighted entries, we can use filter by color. You can see that there are few orange highlighted cells in this column. Select the filter, color, choose the orange color. Now we are able to view only the orange highlighted cells and its corresponding details. To remove the filter and view all data in the sheet, we can just click on the filter icon again. Filter has been removed from all the columns. We also have another option to filter, that is by condition. Let's see how we can use this. Click on Filter. Click on the filter icon in the Test Center Code column. Choose the Filter by Condition. In the drop down here, we will select the criteria as is empty and select OK. We have got the empty cells under this column. Let's give the criteria as text contains 1232. 1232. We can see the results here. Click on the filter icon to remove filter from the cells. This is how filter function works. It's very easy and useful function to sort and organize the data using the filter option. Thank you.